There are four great dangers that you and I need to be aware of if we want to limit the type of mistakes that we will make in life. Notice I said if we want to limit it, because you will never be able to live life without making mistakes. In fact, as a young person, your job is to make mistakes, learn from them, and limit your repeating them, and be able to return to Allah, return to your parents, return to your teachers, return to your friends, and be better than the moment you had made that mistake in the first place. Your job as a young person is to make mistakes and learn from it. So it's not making mistakes that's the issue. It's not learning from them and being regular in them and not worrying about their consequence with others and, more importantly, with Allah. The four essential dangers that you and I need to be aware of. First of them is your inner dialogue, what you say to yourself. Number two is the outside enemy that seeks us out, the shaitan. And that could be of the human kind and the unseen jinn kind. We'll speak about both, inshaAllah. The third enemy is the beauty of this worldly life, the allure and how easy it is for us to just lose ourselves, wanting more and more of the dunya at the expense of our akhirah, our next life. That we say, I don't care what happens in the next life. I just want to have the best time that I can today, even if it means I'm going to do indecent things with indecent people. And the fourth and finally is the ego. It's not just the inner dialogue, but it's now my pride and the lack of self-control. Nafsi wa dunya wa shaitan wal hawa, the evil desire that I crave, all of those, kulluhum a'da'i. They are four enemies that you and I need to be careful from. In the next four discussions, we're going to speak about each of them individually, and then we're going to proceed by itemizing what are some of the transgressions that we should be aware of and be distant from, and how to return to Allah from them and avoid them in the first place, inshaAllah.